So this is, say hi, this is the entryway. The stairs that go up there. To the left is a mirror that will be coming down. It's a second living room. Big bay window. Dining room. Goes into the kitchen. And then we go into the family room. Hi, say hi, Sophia. Say hi. Living room. Outside. Powder room. This was going to be my laundry room. You want to come along? We go up the stairs. Come on. Give me the pen. Give me the pen so you can go up the stairs. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. I'm going slow. He is climbing very slowly. Come on. There you go. There you go. More. Okay. To the left is the master. Ooh, it's ginormous. We have one closet. Two closets. Another. And we have two sinks. And the bathroom, which needs to be redone. It's not too bad. Then, come on, let's go show them your room, Sophie. Multi-ceilings. We have, come on, really big second room. Then more closets. Let's go show your room. Let's go show Wella your room. Come on. This way. Little room. Plaza. This is Sophie's room. Sophia? Sophie's room. Where are you? Come this way. Look at that. Oh, this one doesn't have to be redone. Okay. And then we have, I think that's it. That's all the rooms. 3 upstairs, 4 upstairs.